Batico Day is coming up. One hotel and casino has found a universal game to bring both locals and tourists together to celebrate the patriotic Aruban holiday under one roof. Bingo is a popular game for the young and old, no matter what nationality you are. Reason being why Trop Club and Casino have chosen to host a Batico Day bingo event to bring the tourists and locals together to celebrate.
On Saturday the 25th, which is our Batico Day, it's a national holiday for Aruba, we have our special bingo, which is over 5,500 prizes in cash prizes in the bingo. We have a special bingo. Normally you can win up to $1,500 in prizes, but up this day you can win up to $3,200 in what is a cash prize for the bingo. We have different special things going on. We have raffles, we have criollo snack typical from Aruba. We have the caja de orca, which is an instrument typical from Aruba. We have dancers, we have different stuff that's going on that Saturday.
Before, during, and after bingo, locals and tourists can expect to be surrounded by local flavor, sounds, and traditions.
Bingo is always popular in any place you go, any casino, any place in the world, and a lot of tourists and a lot of Arubans guys to come together to bingo, so we decided to do a special day of bingo. We always want to show the heritage of Aruba, and we always want to educate the tourists who come to us and see us Aruba, and we want to show us a good time how Aruba does it.
After bingo, there will be Plinko. Trop Club and Casino is preparing their players for a full day of activities on Batico Day. They are taking the opportunity to show their guests their celebratory flair.
It's important to always bring the heritage of Aruba, and after all, we are in Aruba, and as a company we have to show Aruba's love, so we all love Aruba, and we want to show the tourists also a good time how the Arubians do it in the party or have fun on their day of the Batico. It's a big national holiday, so we have a special bingo where we want to bring all the tourists and also all the locals together and have a nice day with us at Trop Club and Casino.
The Batico Day bingo celebration will start at 3 p.m. with local food and music at Trop Club and Casino. Numbers will be called starting at 4 p.m. Afterwards, players will be selected to try their luck on the Plinko machine. We'll be right back with more. Stay with us.